Hi Marco, happy birthday. Where are we, Marco? We're in the border. Oh no, we're already in Mexico. Alright, we're already in Mexico. Yeah, this is Mexico already. Hello, Mami Dak. Welcome to Mexico.
We're celebrating Marco's birthday in Mexico.
Okay, are you sure? Okay, good.
Ano? Mag-taxi na tayo papunta sa ano?
Oo nga.
Pabalik doon.
Kaya nga. Oo, tama ba ito? Alright, okay. Yeah.
I want a beef.
Tortillera, Guerrero, Estado. Estado de Guerrero, la tortilla.
Marco, what's this? Horchata. Okay. Mami Dak, what's that? Beef tacos?
Beef tacos.
Oo nga. We're here in Mexico. We're eating beef tacos. Marco, happy birthday. Sila, share mo lang. Actually, busog pa ako. Ang dami ko na kain eh. Kumain ako na sinangag sa bahay. Tapos buko juice. Kaya busog pa ako. You want to experience. It's not about you're full. You know, kaya kahit konti lang at least ma-express natin.
This is the authentic taste of the tacos from Tijuana.
Hello.